Hey there. Today we're making Fiadone, which is a traditional Corsican dessert, a cake. It's gluten-free, which is cool. And it's made with this really special cheese called Brocciu. So I tried to make some ricotta, because it's very similar to ricotta, with goat's milk. So here we have it. It's a little bit of a different consistency to Brocciu, but it's fine. And then we got lemon, eggs, and sugar. What we're doing today is the first of a series called Give Bake. Is that what we're calling it? It's basically me baking and then bringing it to my loved ones, to my friends, because I can't eat all the baked goods that I make. So why not share them with people, especially right now during quarantine, but hopefully it'll go on until after that too. This episode is about Mother's Day, about my mama. She is Corsican. She grew up in the south of France in a little island named Corsica. And so I wanted to make her something traditional from her country that I've never made before. So I'm gonna start by buttering my dish. I've turned on the oven to 350. And now I'm going to combine all the ingredients. This is gonna be such a simple, easy recipe. That's what I love about Corsican food, is it's very simple and very delicious. We're gonna zest this lemon. I just think the more lemon, the better, you know? If you don't want it to be too lemony, you can do half the zest of a lemon. And I'm also, my godmother sent me this recipe and she gave me a tip and said to put in some lemon juice, which isn't in this recipe. So I'm also gonna do that. Here we have our zest. Now we're gonna mix in everything we have. So there's the ricotta, half a cup of sugar, and 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna just mix this all up. Okay, so everything's been mixed up really nicely. Now we're gonna put it into the baking dish and pop it in the oven. My grandmother has always been a big influence in my cooking. So this is like a Corsican thing. It's about my mom and my grandma. I'm super excited to be bringing Corsican dishes to this channel. You might have never even seen these flavor profiles. They're so special and so simple and so beautiful. Oh, that looks good. So yeah, you just want it to be nice and brown like that on top. We're gonna let it cool completely and then we'll take it over to my mom for Mother's Day. Fiadone. Guys, I have fruit in my teeth. You should get a shot of Luna. Luna! Mother's Day! All right, we're here. The house I grew up in. Distant gifting. So I'll put it here. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Oh, Fiadone.
Is that what? Well, how do you say it in Is that? How do you say Fiadone?
Fiadone.
Yeah.
Mais tu peux aussi dire Fiadonaccio. Merci. Il est total surprise. Ah, mais ils font donner à Luna. C'est chaud.
It's still hot?
Délicieux, parfait.
It's so good.
It's fantastic. You have a glass. You have
Put it on. Add in the vinegar.